Hi sir, good evening po. This is the travel agency website of group number 9. So here is the user end po of the website na makikita po natin lahat ng travel packages, about us, contact us, and here is the terms and conditions. So the contact us is fully working, nagsisend po sa email ni client. Then for our admin, makikita po natin ang ating dashboard or for our real-time sales. And dito po sa Book Now, here is the customer data gathering na nagsisend din po ng automated email for booking verification. And here is the bookings with a working search bar na pwede pong mapindot to view the full booking details. Then for the billings, we can add transaction for that specific customer or booking. Then we can also view it for transparency po, sir. Then punta naman po tayo sa super admin. For our super admin, we have the same dashboard as the admin side but different functionalities in the navigation bar, like this create admin account na pwede po mag-create ng admin account and mag-change po ng password ng mga existing admins. Booking status report na pwede pong na-filter out by done and canceled bookings and also can be printed. Same po sa sales report. Pwede rin po itong ma-print and filtered out po siya by last week, last month, and last year. Pwede rin po siya ma-print out and ma-download po as Excel. Then sa manage packages naman po, ito po yung nasa user end or nasa website po, sa front end website na pwede po ma-edit ni client if he wants to po. So yan, example po, nag-delete ako dyan, then mawawala po yung packages na nasa harapan. That's all po. Thank you.